Okay, here we are at the city here at 70 feet. There are a lot of roots. Right away, here's this offset. You can see that bottom right corner of it's cracked.
Yeah.
So that's right at the Y at the city. And we'll pull back from there. You can see it's got plenty of pitch right here. It's almost a vertical pipe. You see that? The water's running over the lens.
Recording?
Yeah, I'm recording it right now.
I didn't know if it's a video.
You can talk. It's your video.
Oh.
So, yeah, it's pretty.
Yeah.
Got pretty good pitch right through there. It looks like it probably settled, and that's why the pipe is so much lower there than it is on the next one. So, and that's also why it's got a lot of pitch. So,
Okay.
it's of interest to us. Yeah, see it goes flat and then it dips and then dips again to make it to the city.
Okay.
And there's a joint. Couldn't get that with the machine because of the offset. We had plenty of fun with other stuff. Yep, there's another pretty bad offset. So it's like, yeah, they must have just tanked it like down, down, down to get it to reach to the street kind of thing. So I don't think that's from settling as much as it is just from like
Design.
trying to angle it to get into the city to match up with it. There's no damage on them. They just got crazy pitch and settled a little bit, I think. A little flat through there. There's some of my handiwork there. Those will push out eventually. That stuff too. Just a little hung up for now on this flat spot. More of my handiwork. Yeah, there were a lot of roots in it. There were plenty of roots. They'll wash down eventually. Most of the root intrusion was towards the house, starting probably with this joint, and back from there. Those were the worst spots. So that joint was bad. All through here. That one. That's where I pretty much started working on the joints on the way back. Some were so thick that I bound up the machine on them. There were a number of fabric things, like rags, or I think there were rags in there. So that slowed me down a little bit too. So you can see I got these ones as good as I could. On there. More of my handiwork, see? I hit those joints as good as I could, and they just didn't want to come out. There's the 4x6 into cast iron, just outside the house, 5 feet out from here. So just on the other side of that wall. And up through the cleanout.